Hi guys, welcome to this optical zoom test of the Panasonic FZ80 or FZ82. It's the same camera, just one is Europe, one is US. So what I did, I made an optical zoom test comparison. It was about 1 hour before sunset, no direct light, so not super bright, a little bit difficult conditions. Maybe I will do same thing with better light, but yeah, it was, I would say, intermediate light conditions with 20 millimeters, like full white, absolutely no problem to get a sharp picture. But already with 240 millimeters, it's only 10 times, so the quality goes down dramatically. So that's a crop, of course. It's a very small area of a big picture. It was on a wall. I mean, this is really extreme. This is an extreme crop. If you would see this in a normal picture, even with 60 times zoom, you think, yeah, okay, it's not bad. It's not bad quality, but it's super small. I took it out of the wood, a really tiny piece. But I mean, what I did exactly same. I had exactly same conditions. I mean, same aperture, same time, same everything, and I had a tripod, and there was no wind, no shaking, no nothing. So, and I did a test with a timer, so also shouldn't be any kind of shaking, so should be really close to perfect conditions. And yeah, here you see there's a huge difference. I mean, there's a small gap or a crack in the wood. Here it's already difficult to see what it is. You see the wood structure, everything here. It's already totally washed out. And when you go further, I mean, this is only 10 times. This is about 30. What's that? 35 times. And then you can see even further, like decrease in quality. And when we go in even further, it's 50 times. Unfortunately, I didn't hit the area. I just noticed. I went in and prepared the video, and then I checked, and I saw with 1200 millimeters, which means 60 times, I missed the area, so I didn't have same picture. I mean, same area to compare. And yeah, maybe I will do same thing. But anyway, the strange thing is here it's some kind totally flat. It looks like totally washed out. And here with 1000 millimeters, it looks like a little bit better, but it's not actually better. It's losing some details compared to the original, especially when you compare to the 240 millimeters. You can see that it loses some details, like this thing here, like this haircut or whatever it is. Here it's still visible. Here with 1000 millimeter, almost invisible. I mean, we had it perfect with 20 millimeters, and so you can see it goes down here. Somehow, like, it looks like grains. I mean, if I had to judge these pictures, I would say, I would have said that this is, I mean, crop. I mean, no optical zoom like real crop, but this is no crop. I mean, it's crop of it's just a part of the picture, of course. But from the original, how I made this was not digital zoom. I mean, the optical zoom goes until 1200. I mean, I just cropped it out of the result. I mean, it was, when I cropped the things out, okay, that was maybe not a perfect job. and I will try to make similar thing maybe another time, and also with better lighting, better light conditions, and try to really hit same area with same size and everything. But it's really hard, I can tell you. It's not it's not super easy to do that, but it gives you some idea how this looks. I didn't expect that. I mean, especially here in this area, I expected much better quality. I thought when I bought this camera, I thought somewhere in the middle would be best camera. I didn't expect at best quality at 20 millimeters. I thought it's more like in the middle, but I'm not a pro, but it was just an assumption. Looks like I was totally wrong. And definitely when it comes to 35 times, 50 times, 60 times zoom, so yeah, you will lose a lot of details even when it's only optical zoom. But it looks like there are some limitations even when there was no shaking. I mean, when you can do videos with animals at this level. They can look pretty cool. I have done something today. I think I'll put it online with zooming 1200, even 2000, even 3000. Sometimes doesn't look too bad. I mean, of course, 2000, 3000, that's crop. I mean, Panasonic doesn't call it crop because they say it's optical zoom, but it's just reduced resolution. Yeah, it's a question, but technically I think most people would call it crop. So anyway, here again, comparison. So the verdict is really clear. I mean, the zoom is useful. I mean, when you look at how small this area is, you probably wouldn't see anything with your eyes. You wouldn't see that there is something here. Also, this area, it's impossible to see at this light and this distance. You have to be aware that's really super small, but there's a difference. That's clearly a huge difference. And I mean, I had the same picture. I have to tell you, I mean, it's not perfect job what I have done, but I have tried to take exactly same picture, same size of the wood piece, so it should be close to correct this test. So yeah, doesn't look too good, but not too bad. I mean, I think other similar cameras would do about the same job. Unfortunately, I don't have any other camera to compare, but it gives you some idea and some hint, and it tells you if it's possible to make a few steps and get a little bit closer to your object. So do it. It's definitely worth it. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.